Welcome back, Michael. Oh, is that for me?
Hope you had a good run. Whoa, check out this mud. Fabric and soil level check completed. I'll wash it and dry it clean to match this fabric.
A balanced diet keeps you healthy. A chicken poke? Good.
Bixby, open the fridge door.
Running was worth it.
Sorry to interrupt while you're working. I'll just clean up over here quietly. Oh, that's another masterpiece. Oops, spotted a tiny piece. No worries, taking a detour.
I'll quickly cool down this stuffy room for you. Switching to silent WindFree mode, so it won't disturb your shoot. Oh, we can edit that out.
Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.